Now, as it is starting to perk up, I thought this would be a good chance to actually repot it. As Plumerias are pretty heavy feeders and they do grow pretty rapidly, it can be a good, very important idea to transplant it to the next size container. Every 2 years or so can get difficult for sure as they get this big, especially in clay pots, ceramic pots, way too heavy. So I'm gonna be transplanting it to this guy right now. Let's see how it goes. And it is easier to do this when it does not have any foliage just yet. And just gently tug. Sometimes it can be useful to use like a serrated knife or something to go around the edge, but I don't think I'm gonna need to do it today. Well, there you go. This is definitely why we want to transplant it, because right now it's okay, but within 2 months, this is going to be super root bound, and that's not going to, when they get overly root bound and they don't have enough good mix to be growing into, they will generally be okay, but they will probably not flower. So it's a good idea at this point, break up some of these roots. You don't need to overdo it. The roots are pretty soft. And then I love this bagged potting mix. It's really great from Coast of Maine. That soil line looks pretty good. Break some of this up. And absolutely want to make sure there's no air pockets along the sides. And at this point also, you could sprinkle in some time release fertilizer, like this one. That's always a good idea. And you can see I've left a little bit, like an inch lip, because that's where I'm going to be putting the mulch on top. And then I'm going to be dropping mine into this cash pot right here. There we go, that looks pretty darn stately. And some water. All right, and a few days later, you can see that the first leaves are just getting started right there. So that means it was definitely a transplant success. You can see the mulch that I have down there. It's ready to start growing this summertime. And with that, now you have a quick look at how to transplant your plumerias with ease. If you have any further questions or comments, make sure you leave it down in the comment section below. Anyways, thanks for joining me here on Plant Vibrations. I'll catch you next time. Ciao.